Today, you will learn how to make two columns in Word for one section. First, place your cursor at the beginning of the section where you want the two columns. Go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and choose Continuous under Section Breaks. Now, place your cursor at the end of that section, go to Layout, click Breaks, and choose Continuous again. This creates a separate section that you can format without changing the rest of your document. Now, click anywhere inside that section you just created. Go to Layout, click Columns, and select 2. That's it. Only that section will be displayed in 2 columns, while the rest of your document will stay in the normal single-column layout. If you ever want to go back to 1 column, simply click inside that section, go to Layout, choose Columns, and select 1. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.